Hello dear students, today we are discussing a new topic from the Standard 5 Unit 1, Number Word. Our new topic is one number different forms. Now let us go to our detailed section of this topic. Listen carefully. Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic one number different forms from the chapter Number Word, the Unit 1 of Standard 5. Let us see a number 856. We can write this number in different forms. Here 856, 3 digits. 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, and 8 is in hundred place. So there are 800 and 5 tens and 6 ones, like this. 8 hundreds, 5 tens and 6 ones. 8 hundreds means 800, 5 tens means 50. 5 into 10 means 50. 6 ones. Then when we are adding the 3 numbers, we get 856. Now we can write 856 in another way, like 85 tens. That is 5 is in tens place, then we can write 85 tens and 6 1. 85 tens means 850. 85 into 10 means 850 and 6 ones. Total 856. This is another way we can write 856. Then another big number 8567. This also we can write in different forms. Look here. Here 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundred place, 8 is in thousands place. Then these are the digits. The blank place we have to fill. This also another way. 85, 6, 7. The blank face you are just think what is we have to fill on this blank face. And this another way we can write 8567. Then in the first, again look at the first case. 8 is in thousand place, then 8 thousands. 5 is in hundred place, then 5 hundreds. 6 is in tens place, so 6 tens, and 7 is in ones place, so 7 ones. Then 8000 plus 500 means 500, 6 tens means 60, 7 ones means 7. Then adding we will get 8567. Okay. Then again next splitting 85. 5 is in the place of 100, so 85 hundreds. 6 is in tens place, so 6 tens and 7 ones. 85 hundreds means 85 into 100, that is 8500. 6 tens means 6 into 10, that is 60. 7 ones, 7. Then adding we will get 8567. Then another way 856. Then 6 is in tens place, so 856 tens and 7 ones. Then 856 tens means 8560 plus 1, total is 8567. These are 3 different ways that we can write 8567. Then this is a problem given in your textbook. Here 85,492 we have to write different way. One way is already given in the top, that is 8054 hundreds. 4 is in hundreds place, so 8 by 4 hundreds, 9 tens, 2 ones. Then on left side, we just look at the bottom, 10,000 dash 10,000. 10,000. 8 is in 10,000's place, so 8 10,000s. Then 5 is in the place of 1,000, so 5,000. 4 is in the place of hundreds, so 4 hundreds. 9 is in the place of tens, so 9 tens. And 2 is in place of ones, so 2 ones. These are the different ways that we can write 85,492. And on the right side, again, look at the box and bottom, dash 1,000. 1,000, 5 is in the place of 1,000, so 85,000s. 100, 4 is in the place of 100, so 4 hundreds. And 9 tens and 2 ones. Then in the bottom box, look at the bottom box. Here dash tens. 9 is in the place of tens, so 8,549 tens. 8,549 tens and 2 ones. These are the different ways that we can write 85,492. Then this is another thing, that's the problem that you have to solve. Here the middle number that we have to first find out. 3 lakh is given. 3 lakh means 3 and 5 zeros. Then 3 lakh. 2 10,000 means 2 and 4 zeros. 4,800 means 48 and 2 0, 4,800. 3 tens means 3 into 10, that is 30, 6 1. Add all these numbers, then we will get the middle number. Then you can find out all other different ways that we can write this middle number. അടുത്ത നമ്പർ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ശേഷം ബാക്കി എല്ലാ ടേബിളും നിങ്ങൾ പൂരിപ്പിക്കണം. Then at the bottom there is another column. Write 1,36,749 in different forms. That also you should do in this way. Then another thing, this table shows different states in India and populations in each state. What we have to do is we have to read all these digits, population, and we have to find out which state has least population. That is first question, least population. Then for better, just draw a line like this. Then right side of this line, that is lakh, this is a position of lakh. Then Sikkim, no other state has population in lakh. 6,76,7,688, that is for Sikkim, least population. Then another question, look at this, Sikkim has least population. Then look at this question from the table, which is the state with the least population? What is the population that we already found? Second question, which is the state with the largest population? Try with other numbers. Largest population that you have to find out. Then what is its population? That number you have to write. What is the difference in population between these two states? What is the difference in population between these two states? That means difference of the population of largest population and lowest population. Then what is the total population of our neighboring states, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka? Total population, and then you have to adding population of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. That will be the answer. Then how much more is the population of Uttar Pradesh than Bihar? We know that Uttar Pradesh has largest population, so you have to subtract population of Bihar from population of Uttar Pradesh. Order the states according to their population. Then you have to write in the ascending or descending order of the population of these different states. Okay, then there is a game for you. This 5-digit number 12,345. Write the above number 5 times. side by side. Now you have a very large number. Strike off any 10 digits you like. The remaining digits in the same order make a 15-digit number. What is the largest 15-digit number you can make like this? This is the question. That is, this 5-digit number, it's 5 times you have to write. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that 5 times. Then we get a big number. This is a 5-digit number. So 5 times means 25-digit number. We will get 25-digit number. Look here. This is a 5-digit number. Then this is a 25-digit number. This is repeated 5 times. Then I am going to remove 10 numbers from this big number. From this 25-digit number I am going to remove 10 numbers like this. Then here it is a 15-digit number. Let us bring these digits together, then we can like this. Is this the big number that we can make from the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Or if we start the number 5, will we get a big number than this? Let us try this. The target is you have to make a largest number from this different ways. You can strike off any number, then you will get largest number. Okay, this is the end of the class. Have a nice day.